Hey there, Andrew. Kimberly here with Elite Roots Digital Marketing Agency. I reached out and spoke with you earlier today, promising this short video just giving you a few tips to help you increase your online traffic. Now, I don't want to waste anyone's time, so at the end of this video, if you like what you've heard and you'd like any further help getting more leads for your business, then give me a call. But if not, no harm, no foul. Take these tips and use them for yourself. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to point out here on your website is I love that you have this schedule consultation button. You've got your click to call, beautiful picture here, and then at the bottom you do have the social media icons. I wish they were at the top of the page too. Direct people that, hey, there's even more information, more pictures over here. That'd be one quick suggestion for you. Now, and as I did scroll through your website, the one thing that I do see overall that you are lacking is just content in general. Now, when I'm talking content, I mean everything here on your website. The words, of course, but also the images, how those images are saved can even be read by a search engine. Now, and content on your front page should end up being around 1,500 to 2,000 words. And I know it sounds like it could be really wordy, but if it's well done, it's an absolutely beautiful website, even with that much content. Now, there's a couple of reasons that much content really does matter. The first is that Google loves content. Content is king in Google's eyes. So the more content you have, the easier it is for them to plug you in at that very top spot in a Google search. The second is actually that you'll be able to squeeze in more keywords. Now, and keywords are like this: remodeling company. That's a keyword. However, that's a national keyword, not a local. You want to try and stick with local keywords. So something like kitchen remodeling, Des Moines, Iowa, is a great local keyword. I've got a few others pulled up here. That one in particular has a volume of 200, so 200 people a month are searching for that particular keyword term. And there's a whole bunch of others, all that have to do with kitchen, bath, and general remodeling and renovation services here. It's just a matter of getting those plugged into your website in different areas. The more keywords and the more often that you have a particular keyword on your website, the faster that you'll get ranked to the top of a search engine result. So if I jump over here to the search engine Google, and we see here we've got kitchen remodeling, Des Moines, Iowa as the search, which is that top volume keyword. And as I scroll here, the next area I'd like to talk to you about is actually this right here. This is the map pack. This is where your Google My Business page is going to be listed. Now, and to get you in this very top spot, there's a few things that go into it, and I'm going to show you that over here. Now, and you already have a great head start. You've got 20 reviews. Now, and you do want to make sure that you are listing all of those different keywords that we just talked about that you want to be found for somewhere in this Google My Business profile as well. And that can even be done in the photos here. So just have those photos saved on your computer as one of those keywords first, and then put them over here onto your Google Business profile. That's the easiest way to get more keywords in here. Now, in the second area is actually, there's normally a description of your business down here below your reviews before web results that allows you 500 words. Now, in 500 words, you can fit in quite a few different keywords without making it sound weird. So that is my second suggestion when it comes to your Google My Business profile. There's one other thing that really goes into these profiles, and that is citations. And so if you do everything else that I just mentioned, really make sure you get your reviews up, you have everything filled out correctly and properly and as fully as you can, citations is what really takes effect then. Citations are just listings of your business in directories across the web. Directories are like Angie List and Yelp and Yellow Pages. Those are all directories. There's hundreds of them out there. You just have to know how to find them. And the easiest way to find them is actually just look at what these top 3 businesses in your area have, and then go in and get in those exact same directories, and then go out and find even more. Alright, so the last thing I want to talk to you about is this organic section down here. Now, on the keywords and content we were just talking about on your webpage have a lot to do with this area. Getting that content and number of keywords up really matters to get you in this top spot. 30% of the volume for this particular search goes into this very top spot. So not being here, you're missing on a lot of traffic. And then the same thing goes for this map pack area up here. This is actually 40% goes to these top 3 businesses in the map pack of this search volume. and then 30% here. So 70% of the search volume goes to just these 4 different listings. Missing out on so much traffic to your site just by not being in these top 4 areas. So the last thing that really goes into getting to the top here is actually backlinks. Now when I talk about backlinks, I'm talking about these right here. Currently you're sitting at 121 referring domains, 420 backlinks, and that's getting you found for 96 keywords currently. Now, and what is a backlink? A backlink is just a link from one website linking back to your website. That's all it is. Super simple, but not all backlinks are created equal. So that's where the hard part comes in. Now, in those citations we just talked about, those will oftentimes give you a backlink, but not a super strong one. A strong backlink is going to be a link from a business that has some sort of relation to remodeling or bathroom or kitchen remodel, renovation, any of that, and then has a stronger website than you. It's kind of like a popularity contest in school. Back when I was in school, or when you were in school, you know, those popular kids, they always had a lot of influence on the people around them. Well, kind of the same goes for on the web. The more backlinks that you have to those popular, stronger websites, the more traffic and influence that Google will allow you to go ahead and give to their searchers. So if we take a quick peek at your local competition here, we've got AIM Kitchen and Bath. They were the top in both the map pack as well as the organic section. And they're currently sitting at 323 referring domains, giving them almost 1.6 thousand backlinks. And they're currently being found for 383 keywords. So this is where having more content would really help you get more keywords, and then we can go out and you can find more backlinks, ask more websites to give you a backlink, go out and get more citations. All of that is really going to help build the strength for your website, because we want to get you up to probably close to 400 referring domains is going to be where you need to be to really blow these guys out of the water and make sure you're in that top spot instead of them. Alright, Andrew, that is all I have for you in this quick video. If you'd like to know more on how I can help grow your business and bring you new customers, please reach out and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Please enjoy these free tips I've given you. If you don't mind giving me a little bit of feedback on how I did, that would really be greatly appreciated. And I really do hope that you found this helpful and informational. Thank you so much for watching.